Your balance. Show mommy your balance. Right? Balance.
Another one. Binilhan ko si Aliyah ng sarili niyang remote. Tapos meron siyang balde dyan. Ayan. Ang ganda ng quality niya. At saka, ano siya, light and airy. Oh, ang dami niyang... Ay, ang ganda. Okay. Parang nag-overspend ako, guys. To be honest. Cuties. Cute moments of Aliyah. Ay, Jiggy. Hey, Jiggy. Are you crawling? Are you trying to crawl? Are you trying to crawl? Yeah. We're home, guys, you say. We're home. We're at home. I wish. You wanna come to mommy? Can you move to mommy? Can you come to mommy? Look at you. Hey, Jiggy. Hey, Jiggy. Baby. Hey, Jiggy. Whoa, look at that. She's moving back. She's like pushing herself back like that. Oh. Good job. No, Aliyah, that's Adelaide's toy. That pick. Can you please pick?
I hope he goes to prison. I hope you Filipinos just absolutely...
Yeah, there's one local that filed a case against him. So it goes to the police, not just the deportation. Ooh, boo, boo, boo. This is Adelaide's. Lady, catch it! Yay! Come on then. Come, give it to mommy. I mean, I like what Harry Jagged, Ali Law's doing. Instead of doing like what he's doing, they help people. And that's more inspiring to watch.
Yeah. Like, don't get me wrong, I like pranks and stuff.
But not to the point that you...
But there's going too far.
Yeah. That's why, don't get me wrong, I know you like Ali Law. The way he does it, it's he's breaking the law. Which is not good influence to young people. That means he's saying it's okay to break the law. So, that's why I don't like him. But what he's doing is brave. But he's breaking.
Yeah, but I'm not liking him for some of the stuff that he's doing. It's the dangerous stuff that
yeah.
I like watching him.
The thrill.
Yeah. Well, that's not breaking the law.
No, like breaking into a place that's not supposed to.
The overnight challenges, yeah. But then on another note, you know, he's not being an idiot in breaking in and damaging the place, stealing, getting as much food, you know, as he wants, like some people would if you broke into a place.
Yeah, because that's not his agenda. His agenda is to
just have fun.
Do the challenge here. Yeah. Oh, what are you doing? It's going backwards. Yes, Baba.
Where's Lady? Where's Lady? Where's Lady?
Look at that, the lady there.
Fire.
Excuse you, madam.
Good fire. Good fire.
Did you fart, Aliyah? Eee, you farted.
Come on, scoot back. Come to daddy.
Yeah, I know. Come to daddy. He's always been lady. You say that to lady. No, who is it? Lady or
Scoot
baby?
Aliyah, scoot back. Daddy needs to keep, Mommy needs to keep the floor clean for you now.
I've been telling us.
You can't just stay on the pink bit.
No, I know. You should go beyond the pink bit. Wow! Look at that! Oh, look at that! You are crawling. That's not just like what, rolling and. She's just. Yay! Balance.
Balance again. Can you balance? Show Mommy your balance.
She gets
Balance.
frightened.
Balance. Okay. Balance. Good girl. Balance. Hey. Balance.
Hold her. Maybe let her hold on the poof.
Balance.
And this. Yeah, that's it. Oh! Hello everybody! Kumusta po kayong lahat? Andito na kami sa bahay. Kakauwi lang namin from outside. Ayun si Aliyah and then Lady. Nandun na sila. Anyway, we are doing a quick haul sa ating pinamili. So, as you can know, uwi tayo ng Philippines. So, medyo nag-ready na tayo for our Philippine trip. So, mag-quick haul lang po ako. Baka hindi quick to kasi may Amazon pa ako. Ayan. Come, Aliyah. Let's do a quick haul. Come. Let's show the guys what we bought a while ago. Okay? First, on the bag, we have here a big Primark bag. Oop. So, first on the bag is Aliyah's doll shoes. It's from M&S. It's size 6 to 12 months, guys. So, it's a Mary Jane doll shoes. Yan. Ang ganda ng quality niya. At saka, ano siya, light and airy. Yan. Hindi siya mainit sa paa. Pag nakadress siya, o kaya yung mga rompers niya. Yan. Ang kanyang gagamitin. Binilhan din namin si Aliyah ng kanyang socks. Yan. Kasi napaglakihan na niya yung mga medyas na binili namin nung baby siya. Bumili kami ng white 4 pairs. And then pink na 2 pairs. Ayan. Pumunta rin kami sa Next. Kasi nga, mag-fly kami, diba, papuntang Philippines. So, ang balak ko, bibihisan lang siya ng pantulog. So, binilhan ko siya ng onesie from Next. I like the print. Kasi floral siya. Tsaka yung quality niya is very soft for the baby. Tsaka elegant din siyang tignan. Very classy. Ayan. So, binili ko yung size 6 to 9 months. Yeah. Okay, Aliyah? 6 to 9 months. So, tingnan natin kung kasya kay Aliyah kasi mukhang malaki. Ito, binilhan ko din si Aliyah ng hat. Isang color pink, tsaka isang color white. Meron siyang white nito. Meron siyang... It's okay. We're gonna do whole. Gusto niyang... Nakapambahay na pala tayo, guys. Anyway, do you want this? You have 3 hats now. I think tinanggal ko na yung tag nung isa. So, hindi na natin mababalik. Ito po ang realidad pag may anak. Magho-haul ka. Okay, sit down. Okay. Mommy will let you hold this. Oh, wow. Do you like the hat? Shall we try it on? Very nice. Ayaw niya. Okay. She doesn't like it. Hello, baby. Itong aso ko. Cute. Sabi ni Daddy, ang dami mong binibili. Kailangan eh. Anyway, toothbrush for Aliyah. It's first, ang tawag dito? First toothbrush and toothpaste niya. 0 to 2, tsaka pinakamaliit. Oh, that's your toothbrush. Okay? You brush your teeth. Bumili din ako ng shorts, guys. For myself. Kasi pag uwing Pilipinas, feeling ko mainit doon. Parang malaki, no? I don't know. I just got the medium size, but that's for me. Binilhan din namin si Aliyah ng hooded towel. So, iisa lang kasi yung towel ni Aliyah. So, binilhan ko na lang din siya. Kasi gusto ko na ni Daddy yung style niya. Si Simba. Ayan. This is yours, Aliyah. Mommy got that for you. And then, bumili ako ng packing cubes. I don't know if these are good, pero sobrang ano lang kasi niya. Cheap lang. From Primark. This is 3 pounds. 3 packs, so 1 pound each. Then, may malaki, medium, and small size. I think this is a big size. So, I think I need this when sa pagpapak ng gamit ni Aliyah. Anyway, gamit ko din siguro. Meron din akong binili na compression bags. Ayan. So, para siyang ang tawag dito, para siyang vacuum bag. Guys, bumili din ako ng picnic blanket namin. So, this is 8 pounds lang. From, what do you call this? Primark. Binilhan ko din si Aliyah nito. Ang kanyang toy sa beach. Kasi magbe-beach tayo eh. Ayan. So, binilhan ko na lang din siya ng toy niya. In case mag-beach tayo. Ayan o, ang cute. Pang baby. 1 pound lang siya. So, ito pang kayod. Ito yung pang kutsara. Tapos, meron siyang balde dyan. Ayan. Cute! Toys. It's for the beach. Meron din ako, guys, sun visor. You know, maganda kaya to? Hindi ko sure. Lahat kasi to Primark eh. Ayan. O, diba? Pang cover lang sa face para hindi tayo sunburn sa mukha. Ayan. Gamitin na lang natin pag nandun na tayo kasi malalagyan ng tawag dito, makeup. So, and then the rest of it, guys, is personal, na namin, yung mga toiletries. And then, ito is yung sunscreen na ang babies and kids. Ayan. Good na to for the whole duration namin sa Philippines. Pediatrician approve siya. Ayun. And then, yung may isa dito na pasalubong tsaka mga toiletries namin. So, yun yung aming napamili ngayong araw. Meron po ditong Amazon. So, tingnan natin. Okay, guys. Quick haul lang tayo sa ating Amazon purchase for our trip to the Philippines. Right. First in the box is Aaliyah's milk bottle. Ayan, guys. So, balak ko kasi na i-bottle na si Aaliyah. So, bumili ako ng 6 na bottles. Siguro ito na lang yung bitbitin namin sa Philippines. Mas mabilis siya, guys, na what do you call this? Linisan, ganon. Second one is yung bottle stand. Yung parang doon mo ilalagay yung, so may mga nakatayong ganun dito na may sanga-sangang ganun. Doon mo ilalagay yung mga bote. So, dryer siya. Drying rack. Portable drying rack. Another one, binilhan ko si Aaliyah ng sarili niyang remote. Kasi guys, si Aaliyah, she loves to get our remote control. So, binilhan ko siya ng remote control. Kaya, ito yung sa kanya. Aaliyah, look, you have your own remote control. Oh. Ayan siya, guys. Nag-hold din si Aaliyah. And, next one, adapter ng mga, what do you call this? SD card going to the, my phone. Yun. In case hindi ko dalhin yung laptop ko, baka hindi ako magdala. But, second is yung Brian ear tip for the thermometer ni Aaliyah. We have to, oh, this is so small. This is for the Osmo Pocket 3 stand. Bakit ang liit? Kasi guys, inisip ko, wag nang magdala ng laptop. Kasi nga, 'di ba? It's big. Ganun. Tapos, may bitbit pa akong anak. So, sabi ko, wag na lang. Pero baka magbago yung isip ko. Anyway, hello! Look at you two. You've got your remote. That's your own remote, anak. Okay? Yay! Kasi, kinukuha niya talaga yung mga remote namin dito. Tapos, pinapatay niya yung TV or whatever she's doing with the TV. So, next one is yung Osmo Pocket 3 stand. Yes, guys. Kasi medyo malaki yung aking yung tripod ng Osmo Pocket 3. So, ito, medyo sabi nila stable daw. So, we'll see. But it looks so light. So, hopefully, magbigay siya ng stability. Ay, nako, ang dami eh. Ang dami ko palang pinamili. So, ito naman, guys, is tripod fan. Ayan. So, pagdating namin dyan sa Philippines, sobrang lamig. Ay, sobrang lamig. Sobrang init. So, bumili na rin ako ng tripod fan ni Aaliyah. Para ready na ang baby sa when we get into the Philippines. Ayan, guys. Ito yung pwede mong ilagay sa pram. Ayan. Tripod nga siya. Ayan. Be gentle with your dog, okay? Oh, Aaliyah. Aaliyah, look. Oh. Fan. Maganda siya, guys. Tsaka hindi rin niya, hopefully, mailagay yung kamay niya dyan sa loob. Maganda. Ayan. Okay. Wow. Ay, mas malakas na Okay. Ay, 3 pa lang adjustments yun. Oh, okay. Fan. Ready for the Philippines, guys. Alam ko mainit ngayon dyan eh. Kasi summer. Kaya bumili na rin ako nito. in preparation for... Ay, not that one, darling. No. Get this one. Look. Look, this is your... Oh. Oh, but mommy need to wash it first. Ayan. Okay. Ha! May 3 na lang. Okay, guys. Bumili rin ako ng... Alam nyo, ang tagal na akong nagbe-breastfeeding, pero hindi ako bumili ng cover. Pero since kasi magta-travel kami, and ako lang at saka si Aliyah, bumili na rin ako nito. Ayan. Cover when I breastfeed. Ayan. So, pag nagbe-breastfeed ako, ganyan. Merong dito, window. So, I can see her. Ayan. Ganyan. Okay. Parang nag-overspend ako, guys. To be honest. Okay, guys. Bumili tayo ng bag. Parang hindi ko gusto. Ay! Parang mukhang maganda rin. Mahal kasi siya. Ay! Maganda. Meron siyang, changing mat. Nawala namin yung changing mat ng bag ni Aliyah, by the way, guys. Ayan. Ay, maganda. Very spacious siya. And then, meron pa siya nito. And then, guys, meron pa siya. Ay, madami siyang malalagay. Parang ito na lang ata yung bag namin ni Aliyah. Uy, guys, ang dami niyang compartment. Kaya pala, ang daming, ang tawag dun, ang ganda nung review sa Amazon because it is such a good bag. Oh, ang dami niyang, ay, ang ganda. Ang laki niya, but then, guys, andyan na lahat. Oh, actually, pwede ko pa malagay dito yung laptop ko kung gusto ko. Parang hindi na ako magba-backpack, guys. Ito na lang yung bag namin. Ayun, no? Oh. Diba? It's big. It's big, but it's spacious. Yeah. Kaya pala. But then, tas ito, pwede siya ilagay sa, paano to? Then, guys, ito pala yung Milton sterilizing tablet. Ito na lang yung gagamitin namin panglinis sa mga bote ni Aliyah. Meaning, hindi na kami magpapakulo ng mga tubig, ganun. Doon lang sa cold water, lagyan ng tablet, susoak siya ng 20 minutes, then ready na yung bote. Ganun. Anyway, yun yung ating haul for today. Thank you for joining us, guys. Yeah, so we're excited. Ako excited na akong umuwi ng Philippines with Aliyah. Yeah. Yay! Anyway, thank you sa pagsama sa amin ngayong araw. And sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aming vlog. See you soon, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you can sa aming mga vlogs po. Thank you. And